Good morning everyone, welcome to 10th standard second language English. Today let us learn the topic editing 2 marks question. Question number 1. The following paragraph has 2 errors. Edit the paragraph and rewrite in the answer book. Clues are given below. Impulsively Baleshwar went and grabbed the train's red emergency chain and pulled it down. Frantical. Clues. Use correct spelling. B. Adverbial mistake to be corrected. Answer. Spelling mistake. Grabbed. 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 Adverb. Frantically. 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 Detailed answer. Impulsively Baleshwar went and grabbed the train's red emergency chain and pulled it down frantically. Question number 2. The following paragraph has 2 errors. Edit the paragraph and rewrite in the space provided using the clues given below. There had been an accident when he goes hiking with his father and brother. They were crossing a rickety bridge over some rapids. Clues. Tense form of verb to be corrected. Use capital letters wherever necessary. Incorrect. Correct. Answer. Goes. Went. I capital. Question number 3. The following paragraph has 2 errors. Edit the paragraph and rewrite the paragraph in the space provided. Clues are given below. Last Sunday, Jackie and I went to the beach. When we arrived, we thought it was going to rain. Luckily, the sky cleaned up. Clues. Use capital letters wherever necessary. Verbal mistake to be corrected. Spelling J capital Jackie. B. Verb rained past form present form rain to be used. Question number 4. A paragraph is given below. It has 3 errors. Edit the paragraph and write it in the space provided. Clues are given below. Mahesh was 15-year-old. He was afraid of sleeping alone, so he used to sleep beside his aunt every day before his father returned home. When his father commented on this, Mahesh's mother defended her son. The father kept quiet. Mahesh, who was listening to this conversation, was relieved to hear that his father would leave him alone. Clue. Spelling to be corrected. B. Punctuation mark to be used. Verb to be corrected. Answer. No error of such kind found. B. When his father commented on this, comma. C. Returned. Past tense returned. Question number 5. The following paragraph has 4 errors. Enter the paragraph and correct them. Rewrite the paragraph in the space provided. Clues are given below. As soon as Geeta received the message, she left in a taxi and came on the playground. Her son was playing with some childs. She thought her son was not injured. A. Capital letter to be used. B. Verbal mistake to be corrected. C. Preposition to be corrected. D. Correct plural form of noun to be used. Answer. As soon as Geeta G capital received the message, she left in a taxi and came to the playground. Her son was playing with some children. Correction. She thought her son was not injured. Question number 6. A paragraph is given below. It has 4 errors. Edit the paragraph. Clues are given. Are you coming, Manju? Bob asked. Coming where? Said Manju. Even as the brother and sister were talking, they hear the magical words. They are coming. The children, like the others, rushed out heedless of the rain. A. Capital letter to be used. Question mark to be used. Verbal mistake to be corrected. Article to be corrected. Answer. Coming. Capital C. Coming where? Coming where? Question mark. Here. Correction. Heard. Past tense. Herein. Therein. Question number 7. A paragraph is given below. It has 4 errors. Edit the paragraph. Clues are given. During the holidays, I go to my friend's village. It was a small village. It was a small village for 200 homes. The villagers led a simple living. I stayed there and enjoyed myself very much. A. Correction. Correct form of the verb to be used. B. Preposition to be corrected. Correct form of the word to be used. Correct the adverb. During the holidays, I went to my friend's village. Went is the correction. It was a small village. It was a small village with 200 homes. with is the correction. Villages led a simple life. Life is the correction. I stayed there and enjoyed myself very much. Much is the correction. Thank you.